I visited Huis Marseille for the first time, a photography museum located in the heart of Amsterdam. I love bringing my camera to museums because people are very focused on what they are seeing, which makes the perfect conditions to take pictures of them. I like capturing somebody being trapped by a specific piece of art, trying to understand it and reacting to it. There were two expositions from two contemporary women. The first one we visited was Diana Lawson, an American artist with influences from African American photographers. Her portraits are provocative and full of symbolism. Besides her photographies, there is a side project of the same artist called Assemblage, what she calls an expanded family album. The second exhibition was When Red Disappears, from Elspeth Diederichs, a Dutch underwater photographer. The work of these two photographers was very inspiring. I strongly recommend anyone visiting the city to check out this museum. Doei!